Hi everyone, today I am making a special dessert called as Tapioca pudding or Sabudana Kheer. This is a gluten-free dessert and the best part is it is also used when you are fasting. So for all those people who fast, this is a great substitute to get some energy during your day. To make this, I have about 1 cup of tapioca seeds which I actually soaked overnight, and then that's how they look. I have about half a cup of monk fruit sugar. You could use any sweetener you like. These are 10 to 12 soaked almonds, 4 cardamom pods. There is a pinch of saffron and about 2 teaspoons of raisin. Apart from that, we will use some milk. I'm guessing about a liter of milk should be enough. Let's start by pouring in the milk. We need to bring this milk to a boil before we add anything else. So that's about a liter of milk. As you can see, the milk has started to come to a boil. At this time, I'm going to add in the soaked sabudana or the tapioca seeds. Turn the flame on medium at this time. Keep mixing it till you see that the milk starts getting thicker as the tapioca seeds start soaking in this milk. As you can see, the milk has started to thicken. Now time to add in the sugar. Give this a good mix. Also, the cardamom, I grounded it a little bit and then mix it here for the additional flavors. Continue cooking this on a low flame. The cooking will be at least for the next 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the milk has started to thicken and it's coming to a boil again. So now I'm going to add in these almonds that I have chopped. These were soaked almonds. Also, I'm going to add in the raisins and now the saffron. Mix this well and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. The sabudana is almost ready. I'm going to turn off this gas and let this cool for about an hour before we serve it. So it thickens to just the right consistency.